Okay, hello, good evening. My name is Olu Joseph, and I want to quickly show you how to start your blog. I've titled this Blogging Made Easy by Olu Joseph. So the first thing you need to do is to get a domain name registered in your name. And how do you go about it is to go to this website, www.qservers.net. That is where you are going to register your domain name and the hosting. So what you do is you head up to that place and then you click on hosting and then select the Linux hosting account. Then select the bronze account, which is just 3,000 naira for 1 year. So let's go straight to the website and then see what I'm saying. Okay, I'm there already. So when you come there to that website, you click on Linux shared hosting and this will appear. And once this appears, we are starting with this 3,000 naira per annum. Then what you now do is you look through. I don't have time to be explaining all this, but you can see for yourself that this is starter pack, this is business, this is developer, this is professional, this is mega. They have different amount for different sizes of hosting. If you can see in this one, you will get this free domain name, 1 gig storage hosting. In this one, you get free domain name 5 gig. This one free domain name 7.5 gig. This one free domain name and 10 gig, and this one, which is the biggest here, 15 gig with the free domain name. Well, for the purpose of this our assignment, it is this we are going to choose. So you click on order now to set up both your domain name and your hosting. This is the website I use, and I want you to do the same. So you click on order now. When you click on order now, it will open another page. Make sure that your internet is fast. Like this one is slow this month. I don't know why. So let's just wait for it. It's very simple. Once you land on this place, you select the package you want. But for the purpose of our assignment, you can see this thing as okay. So as soon as you have clicked on order now, this page will appear and it's asking you to register a domain name. You know what I've said about the domain name is your unique identity, the unique identity of your website. So it's your domain name. So let's assume that okay, my name is Olu Joseph, or let me use my other name, Kalejaye Joseph. That is the name I want to register. Look at this place. This is the extension. You click on this drop down menu. You see .ng, .com, These are various extensions. I already explained all this to you in class. So you click on .com and then you click on search. What it will do is it will look for, you can see that if you look at here now, you see that there's an error here. So you must make sure that you spell your name well. Always spell your name well. But we just overlook it since we are searching for the domain. Let's see if you can quickly change the Kalejaye Joseph. So make sure your spelling is correct when you are doing domain name searching. Okay, KalejayeJoseph.com. So now it's loading. The internet is searching for this domain name if it is available. You will see what happens now if it's available as soon as this thing completes searching. Make sure that your internet is working, because it can be frustrating. Okay, look at here. See, KalejayeJoseph.com is available. How long do you want to register this for? Now, if you are going to choose 1 year, see the amount. You choose 2 years, this is the amount. 3 years, this is the amount. 4 years this amount, 5 years this amount, but we're only interested in the 1 year for now. So we scroll down, leave all this one, don't touch them, just scroll down and click next step. Click next step. The next step will take you to filling a form. Okay, good. You can see you are now okay. So he's asking you again, do you want to register annually? This is 3,000. The amount is 3,000, or for 2 years 6,000. We are only interested in 1 year. You can see it here. You can see the amount here. We're only interested in 1 year, and this is 3,000 naira. Just click next step. You click next step, and then another page will open. Within 5 minutes, you should be able to finish this hosting registration, domain name and hosting. Now, in this next step is the company is now asking you to fill in your details. So, fill in your details. Let me pause it and then do that and move forward. So quickly, you fill in the form. Put your first name, your second name. If you don't have a company, leave this one. You put your email address. You put your phone number correctly. You put your password. Confirm the password, and then you put your address correctly. Put your city, your state, zip code of your state, then Nigeria, and then they are asking us here, how did you find us? You know, you scroll and pick friend, for a friend, GSM number. So you can put 348056301 if they want to send text to you, or you leave it empty. Then here there are two options of payment: bank deposit or InterSwitch web pay. You pick the one you want. If you have your card ready, you just click on this and click complete form. Select, make sure you select this, whichever way you want. Always make sure you select this. Once you do that, you will then click complete order. If all the information you put are in order, it will go. If not, it will bounce back. Then you have to complete. Make sure you complete it very well, correctly rather. Okay, so make sure that everything you have put there is working and they are real. Okay, good. Immediately you will see an invoice will be generated. This same invoice that is generated will be sent to your email. You know, this is today, 16/9/2015. Invoice to your name. Then if you pay, this is the company name. So if you are going to pay in the bank, you write Q-Sawers Network Limited. Choose which bank you want to pay, Zenith Bank or GT Bank. So if you are doing that, you go to the bank. On the payment page, always pay. On the payment page, use your domain name. The domain name, this domain name, as name of payee. This one, the name you choose. This one is my name, Kalejaye Joseph. The name you choose that appears here is what you are going to use as name of payee or name of depositor. Not your name. You write it there, www.kalejayejoseph.com. That is what you are going to put there. You put the amount and you pay to either GT Bank or Zenith Bank. But if you want to pay online, you come here, click InterSwitch, it will take you to the next page. It's very simple. So once you are done, this same email, this same invoice will be sent automatically to your email, the email that you put when you were registering. Okay, like I said, you will log into once you fill the form, remember filling the form, you will see the same invoice will be sent to you. So you see the invoice, customer invoice, order confirmation. If you click on it now, you will see, okay, that the same information, and see the order number, the product, the amount for 1 year, total 3,000 naira. You go to the bank and make the payment. Every year you pay that 3,000 naira to the account of the company. So this is how to register your domain name and hosting. Within 10 minutes, all this can be completed and you are good to go. So when you have done that, the company, so after making the payment, the company will now activate your account. You will receive an email like this: quickservers.net, your web space details for the domain name. This guy's name, the example I use here, is samuelmusa.com. And if you scroll down, you will see the details. This is the domain name, this is username, password, this is the name servers, this is the FTP details, and where we are going to is this, the cPanel, this one. You copy this out. This is where our work, the details of our work. This is all we are going to be working on. This control panel link, the control panel username, the control panel password. So you copy this out in a notepad, somewhere in a notepad, because we need it to set up our blog. So you do that, and then you keep that detail somewhere like this. You copy it out like this, and that episode will have been done. Basically, you have completed the first set of registering your domain name and your hosting. It won't take you more than 10 minutes to do all this, and once you are done, then we'll move to the next stage, which is paying for our niche blog. The blog you want to be promoting. Now the next video is going to show you the niche blog. Thank you very much.